Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a copy of and share documents with me in Google. So for the Civil Peace Choice Board, you have several assignments where I'm giving you a document to make a copy of, but then you're going to have to share it back with me and rename it. So the way to do this, I'll give you an example. So for this assignment right here, the background notes, when I go to this link, I click on it, it takes me to that slide, and it takes me to this document. What I do is I click on the document, it'll open it up. What I'm going to do is go to File and go to Make a Copy. So it's going to make a copy of this Google Doc. To your drive. Don't hit the OK yet, you're going to be renaming it first. So back on the slide, it tells you how to name it. So you want your first name, last name, period, background notes for civil peace. So we're going to delete this whole document and our first name, last name, period, and put in background notes for civil peace. Okay, so now I've created a copy of this document, and you'll have your first name, last name, period, background notes for civil peace at the top. Then you're going to click on Share. You're going to share it in two ways. First up, right here under Add People and Groups, you're going to share it with my email. So that's WWINPER@Valverde. And you want to make sure you make it so that that person that I can edit it. Okay, and then the other way that you're going to share it, you click on Share, and this Get Link. You're going to change that. So now it's going to be anyone with a link can view, and you click Done. Last thing that you're going to do after you've completed this activity, you click on Share, click on Copy Link. You go back to the slide, and in the box where you can put your slide link, I'm going to press Control V and paste it there. So make sure that you share it with me as an editor and you set the link so that anyone can view it. Then you post the link here. You're going to have to do that for the background notes activity, for the story notes activity, for the vocabulary practice activity. If you choose to, the story review questions. If you choose to, the next scene. And if you choose to, the creating advertisement activity.